I'm gonna make something other than pasta. What? Shocker. I'm gonna make unstuffed peppers. It's my first time doing it this way. So it's just a little trial and error. Here we go. Taking 1.5 cups of short grain organic brown rice from Costco. I'm going to rinse it off before I cook it. Don't mind my little rinse my rice dance, rinse my rice dance. Oh, I think I'm ready. Okay, now we're gonna take the rice and put it in the Instant Pot. Along with, going to use a tiny bit of salsa, some crushed tomatoes, and a little bit of water. I pretty much just want like the rice to be totally covered in liquid. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Ooh. We will let that cook, manual high pressure for 25 minutes. And then as it comes down from the pressure, I'm gonna let it do a 10-minute natural pressure release. So during those 10 minutes is when I will get everything else that I'm gonna do on the stove. Okay, so I have the Instant Pot ready to do its release from pressure for 10 minutes. So that means I am going to be prepping the veggies, cooking all this. Now I could have just thrown everything into the Instant Pot, but I decided not to because I just think you get better flavor when you saute things. I can saute in the Instant Pot once I take the rice out. The child's being a little bit crazy. So I'm just trying it this way. I'm just gonna saute all the like garlic and seasoning and peppers and corn. I should be using a bigger knife for this. Really?
Three.
See, I like little knives for these types of things. Just go back and forth. Yum Daddy. That's an interesting phrase.
Yum Daddy.
Why are you saying Yum Daddy? So it's called unstuffed peppers, meaning you do exactly the same thing you would do if you were stuffing them. Peppers should be a large part of this, but I'm not gonna go too crazy. Like a million things of peppers, so I think that should be good. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of red onion. Not a ton. Do you remember those chopper things that were like from Pampered Chef? And you would just stick everything into this plastic thing and then you just like would press on the spring handle and it would just chop everything?
Yeah.
And now taking a bit of olive oil. Gonna mince some garlic. Put the onions and the garlic in there. The pin just dropped, meaning the pressure has been released. Alrighty, now I'm going to add the peppers.
Where you going? Haleigh? You gotta go potty? You go potty. You do? Go get mom.
Babe, I'm busy. So I'm gonna turn the heat up on this because peppers aren't fun when you bite into them and they're like rock hard. So I want them to cook.
Ellen, did you go potty? Come here.
So I've added the corn to the peppers, onions, and garlic. Now I will add some seasoning. Gonna add cumin, red chili powder. Now I'm gonna add the beans. Just kind of squeeze a little lime juice. I'm just gonna add some cilantro. I'm not the biggest fan of cilantro. My husband is, so that's how it goes. That is it. You can add some like Greek yogurt or sour cream or cheese or I don't know, other stuff, but that's what it looks like. We're trying to cut back on our dairy a little bit when it's not pasta, because pretty much we always end up using cheese or cream in pasta. So dairy-free this is. Is it good?
Yeah.
so proud of you, not putting cheese or
Yum.
yogurt in it.
You're weird. Weirdo. Yum! Well, dinner's over. It was good. I hope you guys think it's good. Husband's doing some dishes. I've been making food for hours, so I'm done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Blow kisses.
Mom, bye.